What is the plant that helps prevent heart, digestive and constipation problems? Oregano has multiple health benefits. Also known as oregano or wild marjoram, it is an aromatic plant used in gastronomy and medicine. To reduce belly swelling and increase muscle mass, its consumption in infusion is recommended. It has a high content of minerals and acids, which help to reduce headaches, stomach, throat, joints and toothaches. Oregano helps prevent heart, digestive and constipation problems, coughs, asthma, and colds. More benefits of oregano. Improves the cardiovascular system, helps to improve the functioning of the heart, thanks to its potassium content to keep blood pressure under control. Relieves rhinitis and sinusitis. Oregano serves as an antihistamine, when taking an infusion of this plant. Strengthens bones, high concentration of vitamin K, calcium and iron. The bone structure is strengthened in people with osteoporosis and similar diseases. Protects against bacteria. Oregano works as an antibiotic. It completely eliminates both the appearance of bacteria and the diseases they produce.